Hey everybody. Well, bought these fans because they have 4 pins for my PC I build. So I bought these. This is going to replace the exhaust fan because it's a 3-pin that's going into a 4-pin motherboard. And then there's another one behind it. I'm gonna put that on the side. I was gonna put it on the top above, but the flow would get blocked by the keyboard, because the keyboard is on top of the computer. So we're gonna pull one out and we are going to put it in the exhaust system first. So you get your screws, you get the fan. So I'll show you where I'm putting it. We're replacing this fan right here. That fan right there. We're gonna replace it. So let's start doing it. Damn it, can I get it? Strong. This is the factory fan that came with this case. Okay, hold on. Pull that out. Am I getting it? There we go. Okay, now let's hook the fan up. Let's hook this thing up. I think it's the other way. Nope, let's hook this way. Got it. Let's see. Is it in there? Can you see with this thing in the way? Yep, it's in there. Let's power it up and see what it looks like.